Have you heard of the Honor Society? Do you think you might want to join? This short presentation will give you information about this organization. First of all, what is an honor society? Many schools have honor societies. These organizations recognize students who get good grades, demonstrate good character, aren't afraid to be leaders, and are committed to community service. At New America High School, we have two honor societies, the New America Honor Society and the National Honor Society. Which one do you qualify for? It all depends on your GPA, your grade point average. The New America Honor Society is for students who have done well in their coursework at this high school. We're looking for students who have earned a 3.0 or higher GPA at New America High School. We don't look at the grades you earned at other schools. The National Honor Society is for students who have done well in all their high school coursework. This is for students who have earned a 3.0 or higher grade point average in all their high school coursework. So we look at your grades at this school and at all the other high schools you've attended. You may be asking yourself, how does joining an honor society benefit me? Well, there are several answers to that question. For example, the organization gives you opportunities to extend your learning beyond the classroom, on field trips, at guest lectures, and other extracurricular activities. Oh, and if you're a member of the Honor Society when you graduate, you also get to wear gold cords and tassels as part of your graduation regalia. It's very special. Students in the Honor Society do many different things. For example, each year the students identify and support a major service project. Last year, Honor Society students raised a little over $500, which they donated to our school library for the purchase of new books. The Honor Society also sponsors National Library Week every April. There are contests, special events, and lots of prizes and fun. Honor Society students also sponsor various school events. Last year, for example, we held a mock presidential election in conjunction with the national election. If you're interested, New America students voted to elect Gary Johnson as president. Can anyone join? Well, no. Membership in the Honor Society is by invitation only. You must be invited to apply. We get a list of students who meet the GPA requirements. This slide shows you the requirements of each honor society. As you'll see if you look at this really quickly, the only difference is the GPA requirement that I talked about earlier. But in both cases, you must be in good standing at this school. You must commit to provide at least 15 hours of service each semester, and you must demonstrate a commitment to scholarship, character, leadership, and service. So if you meet the GPA requirements, we'll send you a written invitation along with a membership application. You'll need to fill out the application completely, ask 3 teachers to serve as a reference for you, sign the application, and submit it by the deadline. Then we'll review your application and send you a confirmation letter. You can begin participating in the Honor Society immediately. However, we only initiate new members at a ceremony in April. If you have any questions, pick up an Honor Society flyer in the front office or ask a teacher or staff member about the organization. If you don't get an invitation and you think that you meet the GPA requirements, please let us know so that we can correct that error. If you do receive an invitation, we hope you will join us.